Hello, welcome to Schedule Academy. In this video, you will learn the definition and characteristics of a project. As per PMBOK guide, a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or result with a definite start and definite end dates. Some examples are creating a software product, creating a construction project, setting up a factory, or creating a unique document. We will see some important features of P6. P6 can help you to plan a project, create schedules, control the project, and manage projects, be it in one project or programs or portfolios. Within a P6 project, some important features are creating schedule, identifying critical paths, generating various reports such as earned value, cost accounts, histograms, S-curves, status and variance reports, and financial period reports. Developing and forecasting project costs, identifying resource requirements in projects. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.